For $20, a dramatic reading of nutrition facts and/or ingredients from a food container of your choice.
Where's the Purell?
Didn't we just hit that?
Purell only has like 3 ingredients. You want to go pick something from the candy area?
I've got exactly what you need.
Okay, you can do it if you want. There's a little Skexy voice there.
Hello.
A chance to be on camera, you say?
I can't tell if Ben is being dramatic for the comedy of it or if he's actually extremely angry.
He's weeping balls of tears.
That's Ben's just such a good actor that you can't tell either way.
It all depends on the music you play.
You say that, but he's actually just gone.
I doubt he's actually angry, but he might be legitimately done. I think.
Is that his entrance music? What?
Jordan, good job.
Bravely attend the contents of the toast of Cinnamon Crunch.
It says sugar bombs.
Sugar honks.
Honks.
I don't know if that crap shot's gone up yet. Doesn't matter.
Whole grain wheat, sugar, and or golden sugar, rice flour, high monosaturated canola oil, and or the oil of rice bran, fructose, maltodextrin, dextrose, salt, cinnamon, calcium carbonate, trisodium phosphate, mono, and diglycerides, soy lecithin, water, caramel color, BHT, and sodium benzoate.
That's bad. But it comes with your free choice of topping.
That's good.
Also, it contains
Toppings
wheat,
are also cursed.
wheat and soy ingredients.